Today we're drawing some delicious macarons with hard-tip touch markers. Let's start with the sketch. First, draw the basic outer contour. Then divide the cookie into its layers, the shell, the little frilly feet at the bottom, and of course the filling in between. For the macaron shell, make sure you also sketch out the thickness of the feet. Then lightly outline the filling. And add some turning lines to show the curves of the cookie. Now, let's try another macaron. You can begin with a cube shape because from our perspective the top looks wider, while the sides of the cylinder get narrower. Replace those straight lines with curved ones, and repeat the same process. Divide the shell, the feet, and the filling. Remember, the feet are wavy and irregular, not perfectly smooth. Next up, inking. If you want, skip ahead to about 3:32 for the coloring section. When you ink, rotate your sketchbook into the angle that feels most natural. Or even decorations, little blueberries, raspberries, or candies. The lines for the feet should be wavy and uneven. You can also thicken the outer contour if you like, or add small holes and tiny lines to bring out the texture. In the filling, try adding a bit of texture After erasing the pencil, fix any gaps and add guidelines for shading, like the top and side curves. Now for the fun part, coloring. Start with a warm gray base on the top. Leave the light catching areas white and give the feet a quick wash too. Gradually darken the top edge that curves away from us, while keeping the bottom light and smooth. Most of the focus should go into showing off those pretty frilly feet. Layer darker shades into the feet to show the uneven surface, little holes, and shadowed areas. Lightly shade the far edge of the top circle. Short lines and dots can really bring out the bumpy texture. Use lighter markers to soften the transitions so nothing looks too harsh. In the filling, add a green-gray shadow that follows your inked outline. Keep the middle lighter and the edges darker. Deepen the darkest corners with a stronger gray. I also added a touch of pale lilac across the whole macaron to give it a soft, colorful glow. For decorations, think round candy sprinkles, stars, or hearts. Shade them like little spheres, layering purple or pink for dimension. shadow side of the macaron, deepen the tones, while on the light side, just enhance the feet and a few inner edges. On top of what we already did, let's deepen things a little more. Along the lower part of the cylinder's side axis, add a soft shadow to push the roundness. Then glaze the whole cookie with a light peach pink tone to unify it. Use your colorless blender to smooth out the highlight transitions, especially where the light fades into mid-tone. With a pale lavender, lightly trace over the wavy lines of the feet. In the shadow area, layer a touch more purple to make it richer. For the filling, drop in a soft beige for the grayish midtones. Then layer some light warm gray to add subtle depth. On the backlit side, wash the whole area with peach pink and use the blender again to refine the raised edges. Next, go in with a deeper color to restate the wavy contour lines of the feet. Layer a brighter, more saturated peach pink over the ruffles, and darken the recessed areas to show dimension. Finally, with the very lightest gray, you can add a gentle cast shadow underneath the macaron. This step is optional. You can even switch to colored pencils to sketch over the feet lines for extra detail. And that's it. Our marker macaron is done. Tips to remember. A macaron is basically a flat cylinder, smooth shell, delicate ruffled feet, and a creamy filling. The key feature is the feet, so give them lots of attention. Colored pencils work great here. Add your own creative decorations, blueberries, nuts, stars, hearts, anything to make it more fun and personal.